Michael, when we look around the Toptica Eagleyard booth, space clearly plays a major role. Why is this market segment so important for your IR high-power laser diode strategy, and what does it enable beyond space applications?
Well, as you can already see here on the booth, for example, through our heritage visuals, the space market is one of the most demanding segments we serve. And at the same time, it's a key strategic field for our IR high-power laser diodes. Working in such extreme environment really pushes us. It helps us to continuously develop our technology further and to keep our quality at the highest possible level. And that benefit goes far beyond space itself. The very same principles apply to more conventional, established industrial applications. Here as well, we address high reliability segments, for example, in critical infrastructure. In these markets, quality awareness is not optional. It's a prerequisite for long-term success.
Martin, Michael's just explained how space plays a major role for Toptica Eagleyard. But what do space applications have in common with industrial applications?
So, space is the ultimate worst-case environment. In space, our laser diodes are exposed to extremely harsh conditions, wide temperature ranges, enormous mechanical loads during launch, and vacuum. Once the system is launched, there is no second chance. No maintenance, no recalibration, no replacement. That means our lasers must operate reliably for many years in orbit, without any intervention. What we see today is that these constraints are no longer unique to space. More and more industrial applications are facing very similar challenges. Long operational lifetimes, limited or no maintenance access, harsh environments, and an extremely low tolerance for failure. This is especially true for demanding sectors, like the oil, gas, or steel industry. At Toptica Eagleyard, space engineering is therefore not just about space missions. It directly shapes our industrial products, making them more robust, more reliable, and ready for the real world.
Herwig, can you share some more insights on your low swap-C laser diodes?
One strength of our lasers is how well they match with low-cost, widely available silicon detectors and CCD cameras. This makes it easy for our customers to build high-performance and low-cost sensor systems. One good example is where our 760 nanometer lasers are used in oxygen detection, in environmental industrial monitoring. Another area is Raman spectroscopy, where our 785 and 1064 nanometer lasers are used. They are well established for chemical analysis, for pharmaceutical process control, and also for the identification of raw material. Laser interferometry is another area where our lasers are widely used in industry. Especially for these applications, we offer so-called RWS lasers, which provide long coherence lengths at low costs. Examples are distance measurement, vibrometry, velocimetry, and also 3D surface measurements. For example, our lasers measure the exact alignment of telescopes on satellites, the velocity of hot steel in steel mills, the thickness of cable insulations during production, and also the blood flow in human tissue. All these examples show our lasers combine performance, compatibility to silicon detectors, and cost efficiency in a very, very attractive way.
So, in summary, Klaus, what is your vision for Eagleyard's roles in shaping the future of these technologies?
Thanks for asking, Rob. Well, this is an exciting time. Selected quantum technology and industrial application have already reached a level of maturity where businesses and people are already benefiting from these innovative approaches. As a result, laser diodes are now being deployed at a much larger scale. We clearly see these developments and we feel them in our day-to-day business. That is why at Toptica Eagleyard we actively preparing for what is next. Our goal is to remain a reliable and trusted manufacturing and engineering partner. And in 2026, we will significantly expand our production capacity at our Berlin headquarters, which will help us shorten delivery times and support projects even more effectively. And looking ahead, our ambition is quite clear. We enable our customers to turn breakthrough technologies into real-world impact with solutions that are scalable, reliable, and ready for the future.
From space technologies to industrial applications, Toptica Eagleyard's focus on power, durability and beam quality ensures their laser diodes stand up to the realities of demanding photonics applications. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Rob.
Thank you.